Alright everybody, welcome. Got a little trick to show you if you've been keeping up with my videos on the restoration of my 1966 Triumph Spitfire. You may realize that I have struggled with adequate lighting, especially during the painting phase. So I have a life hack or workshop hack or garage hack, whatever you want to call it, to try to improve that situation. Now unfortunately I can't take credit for this myself. This is not my original idea. I picked this up from watching Scotty Kilmer's channel. It's a pretty large automotive channel. He had this video out a couple weeks ago. So for those of you that may not know who Scotty Kilmer is, I figured I'd share this with you. He did essentially the same thing. But what I've got here is an LED lamp that's got 3 separate lights on it. And it also is swivelable, if that's a word. So you can direct how you want that lighting to go. And it uses just a regular screw and base like any regular light bulb, and it will work in any regular light fixture. And then I've got a drop light here, just a standard drop light. I picked all these up from Amazon. This is a drop light with a 25-foot cord. If you've got extension cords, you don't need that long of a cord, obviously. The cord length is not incredibly important. What is kind of important, however, is you want to get one that's got a removable metal bulb cover, because you're going to take that off. So this one's very simple here. It's just a Phillips screwdriver and a little metal screw here. So we're going to get this thing off and move along. Alright, so that comes right off. Set that aside. Alright, so now you have just the base of the lamp. I'm going to screw the bulb in here. We'll plug it in and see how bright it is. Alright, watch your eyes. Alright, so as you can see, that's pretty bright. So it works pretty well. The nice thing also is you can kind of aim it almost, set it places with the flat surface of the lamp here. It tends to make it stable. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang it like this and use it as a kind of literally a drop light. So I'll show you what that looks like after I get them hooked up. So this is the brightness that I'm typically looking at inside my paint booth here. I've got a pretty bright light, a LED workstand that's on the other side of the tarp. Does pretty well. But you can see, especially back in the corner over here, it gets kind of shadowy. And inside the panels here that are getting ready to be painted, it's all shadowy and everything, which makes it obviously difficult to see what you're doing and the quality of the paint that you're laying down. So right now I've just got cup hooks in the ceiling. I'm going to hang these lights from the ceiling and show you what the difference is. Alright, so as you can see, I think quite a bit brighter in here. Makes for a lot less shadow, especially inside the door panels and everything. Now there is some shadows cast just by the angles, but on the flat surfaces and things like that, it's going to work much better for me. Now I have these hanging. I may decide to hang them flat or to lay them down or something. Obviously they're very versatile, and you can put them where you need them to make the light shine brighter. But hopefully you can see that that's going to be a big difference, hopefully, and help me out quite a bit in the painting. So thanks for watching. I'll put a link in the description of both of these items. Just to give you a quick idea, the drop light ran me about 17 bucks. That's with a 25-foot cord. You can save yourself a couple dollars if you get a shorter cord. The lamp was about $32 each. You can get ones that are brighter than this, and they run about $40, $45 each. So one setup's going to run you about 50 bucks. That's a little bit steep maybe, but if you think about the versatility and what you can do with these things as compared to maybe a more standard work lamp or on a stand, maybe this will be the solution you're looking for. The other advantage to this, at least in my opinion, is I can repurpose these bulbs, stick them in my garage in a regular light fixture, stick them in my attic, things like that, where I need that extra light when I'm not using this drop light. So thanks very much for watching. I hope this helped. Have a good night. Cheers.